Good morning viewers, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and welcome back to the Sailor's Delight. The skies are clear and the sun is shining bright. गर्मी थोड़ी बढ़ रही है friends. About 35 degrees Celsius है इस वक्त air temperature. And you can see we have some shipping sprays in the forward area. The wind is slightly increasing right now. This is our ship's position right now, and we're about 1,100 miles from the south coast of India and 2,200 miles to go for the next port. Friends, now it has been more than a month that our vessel is at sea, as we departed Brazil on 21st March, and we have a few more days left for the arrival in the next port. And you might have seen in my previous videos that we experienced rough seas and unfavorable weather conditions, so we did not get much time to carry out the maintenance of the deck. Still, the weather is not so good for carrying out the deck maintenance, as we have shipping sprays and the winds are quite strong. So that is the reason we are not able to carry out the maintenance of the deck as normally it is done in our normal daily work routine. But still, since we have a few days left, we have to do some maintenance on the deck accommodation, like de-rusting, painting and cleaning of the accommodation. So what happened to Lakai?
His teeth was broken because of too much eating of peanut and this pork skin. This fried pork skin. So this there is some part that is very hard. So what happened? His teeth was cracked and broken. So I think this is his only way to go home to Singapore. Show this to captain, the proof that his teeth is already half remain.
But I think when something like this happens, normally some filling comes out. Maybe his teeth was done filling. The way it is broken.
Because this one, the one that was removed, was the filling only, not the original teeth. So that's why maybe happened. And also maybe long time already.
Yeah. Or maybe somebody punch him.
Maybe punch himself, no?
Yeah, people now they are tired of work. Already 9 months, 10 months, and everybody wants to go home.
Yeah, they are already wasted, so they want to go home. Even me, chief, but what can I do?
Yeah, there's few more days.
Yeah.
Singapore or Vietnam or somewhere. Then the whole crew will change. Surya is walking on the deck, checking the temperature of cargo hold. Very lonely boy. He's also tired, taking temperature every day twice. So 30 days, 60 times he's already taken. And he's also getting tired and annoyed, but he has to continue. This is a part of training. Surya, आज मास्क नहीं पहना, क्या हो गया?
सर वो तो अंदर तो कुछ अच्छा है सर, ये
अच्छा नहीं मतलब?
ये श्वास तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी लग रहा है सर अंदर तो.
मतलब you cannot breathe properly.
हाँ सर.
Okay, no problem. Anyways, by now all the gas has went out, so it is safe. So are you liking this job?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yesterday also I interviewed him. I interviewed him yesterday. So, in how many months you already? He said 8, sir. So in your, she's smiling. In your 8 months, how do you find the job in 8 months? How do you find your
Sir, liking.
here on the vessel?
अरे liking इतना late बोला, so this is like unliking.
Liking, but in his
नहीं
mind.
कुछ नहीं सर.
Yeah, I can see on your face. So until which hatch cover did you reach?
Sir, 6 and 7.
No, from forward.
From 1, sir.
Acha, so you took one. Very good.
In the upper.
Don't worry, few more days, work hard, and then when you reach home, party harder.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Mark.
Morning, sir.
So, what is going on?
Good, sir.
Cleaning?
Cleaning the chairs.
Cleaning of the chairs. Is it helping? Is it helping?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see that, yeah. It is becoming cleaner. This work we are carrying out for cleaning the chairs because when people sit on it, sometimes with dirty boiler suit, they get dirty and also some paint. So this is also very important to clean the chairs. And our messman Mark is carrying out that job. Rohan,
Sir,
where is Lakai?
downstairs, sir. Preparing for painting, sir.
Preparing for painting.
Yes, sir.
If you meet him, just tell him I'm coming to him
Okay, sir.
to see his condition of the teeth.
Okay, sir. No problem.
But
I'll
only
inform
if you
sir.
see him, okay?
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Michael. So today party is cancelled?
Yes, sir.
No barbecue? Because there's too much work and I think we are running out of provisions also. So better we will not carry out any barbecue, just normal lunch, dinner. And after departure, next port, then we will have a good barbecue party again. So all okay? All well, huh? Okay, see you later.
Okay.
This is the breakfast for today. Oats with honey and some boiled eggs because today is a day of very light breakfast. And also today is Sunday, so it will be biryani day again. So I thought let's start the day with light breakfast. Whenever I join ship, I try to keep water fasting at least once a week, which means that one day in a week I drink only water and I don't eat anything during that day. And it can be a day of my choice. Whenever I feel like I can do that. This water fasting has helped me a lot for improving the body's metabolism. Initially, it was not easy to stay hungry the whole day because I did not have a habit. But slowly, with time, my body has adapted and I have got very good results for after carrying out water fasting at least once a week. And friends, here I would like to put a disclaimer that I'm not a doctor or any kind of health expert. It is just that what I have adapted and it has given me very good results. It may not work for some people because everybody has a different kind of metabolism, but with time anyone can adapt to it and definitely it will give very good results related to the health. Now we have a few more days left to reach the next port and there is a lot of arrival preparation pending. So I'm on the way to the engine room to meet the chief engineer to discuss regarding something very important. Thing is, when we keep filing together, within few months it is already overflowing.
Yeah.
So that is the reason
Yeah,
we
it's
made it separate.
another project.
But now we will make it combined as per master's order.
I think I remember I have printed the latest one from the lockdown. So from there we can also confirm which place it should be stored. Fuel oil storage tank. And yeah, after that, when we went up during the night time, we saw this post in the crew mess room that is 1 hour advance.
Advance, yeah.
So we thought that was written a day ago.
But they're announced yesterday.
Yeah,
they
announced.
What time?
Lunch.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, yeah.
During
Always
PM.
Second means watch. Always second means. Always second means watch.
Mark, what is the condition of your teeth now?
Now, sir, for now, sir, okay now, sir, not coming clean now. But in previous days, sir, my pen is very painful, sir.
Very painful.
Yeah, it's been difficult to sleep during that time, sir.
But now it's okay.
Now it's okay, sir, because second mid, sir, they will give me a medicine for my teeth, sir.
Okay, fine. So now you can work. Now if any problem, let me know.
Yes, sir. I will inform you immediately, sir, if coming pin again, sir.
Okay. I'm on the deck to check the progress of our deck maintenance work. The winds are still strong, but the work is continuing. We are continuing on the deck maintenance, but sometimes it starts raining, and as you saw that we are having sea sprays on the main deck from the forward area, which is not letting us do work at speed, because for carrying out deck maintenance like derusting and painting, we need to have perfect weather conditions, no rain, no sea sprays, and we should have good sunlight so that after painting the paint stays on the deck and does not get peeled off. But the more we are expecting that we can carry out the job, the more we cannot because of not suitable weather condition, which is working like Murphy's law, that the more you think of something going wrong, there are more chances of it going wrong. So at presently the things are not going out our way, but still we are continuing the job. Now at the moment main deck पे काफ़ी maintenance का काम चल रहा है, as we are getting some rust on the main deck area and also behind the accommodation, and we are expecting that the owner's representative will board the ship in our next port. So to make our ship look in good condition, and cosmetic work is going on, painting, derusting and everything, cleaning. So it becomes very important that when the owner or the owner's representative boards the ship, they should find the ship in good condition, and we are trying our best to make the ship look beautiful and in a presentable condition, so that it is a good impression on the owner's representative, and our company has a good name in the market. So friends, that was all for this time. I hope you liked today's story. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.